Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain the structure of the atom. Please don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Now we have three subatomic particles in the atom: protons, neutrons, and electrons. The symbol of proton is P+, the symbol of neutron is N, while the symbol of electron is E-. We have also charge for each one of these subatomic particles. Protons with 1 plus, neutrons with 0, and electrons with 1 minus. Both protons and neutrons have mass that is 1 AMU, while electrons have no mass. Both protons and neutrons are located inside the nucleus, while the electrons are located outside the nucleus. Now the charge of the atom. Charge of the atom equal the charge of the electronic cloud plus the charge of nucleus. Charge of electronic cloud equal the charge of electrons times the charge of one electron, that is here 1 minus, here 1 minus. Now the charge of nucleus equal the charge of protons plus charge of neutrons. The charge of neutrons is 0, so the charge of nucleus equal just the charge of protons. Also the charge of protons equal the number of protons times the charge of one proton. Now the mass of the atom. Mass of the atom equal the mass of electronic cloud plus the mass of nucleus. The mass of electronic cloud is approximately 0, while the mass of nucleus is equal to the mass of protons plus the mass of neutrons. Mass of atom equal the mass of nucleons. Now we have the representation of an atom. We have X that represent the chemical symbol, A that represent the mass number, Z that represent the atomic number. Atomic number Z is equal to the number of protons, and the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons in a neutral atom. Neutral atom is, we have ion and atom. Ion have charge while atom have no charge. So we said that is a neutral atom. Mass number equal the atomic number Z plus the number of neutrons. This rule must be studied. A equals Z plus N. Now the isotopes. Isotopes are the atoms of the same element having the same atomic number Z but different mass number due to the difference in number of neutrons. I'll give you an example. We have the sodium, Na. Na have 23 mass number and the 24 mass number also, but the atomic number is constant, that is 11. So these are isotopes since they belong to the same element, that is Na, having the same atomic number Z, that is 11, but they have a different mass number A. Here we have 23 and 24. Now the first application. The element sodium had 23 mass number and 11 atomic number Z. Indicate the atomic number. This is the first question. So the answer is atomic number Z equal 11. They mention it in the given. The second question, give the mass number. Also mass number equal 23. And also they mention it in the given. Now the third question, calculate the number of neutrons. I said here that we have A equals Z plus N. So N equal A minus Z. 23 minus 11 equal 12. So the mass number equal 12. Now the fourth question, find the number of electrons. number of electrons equal the number of protons in a neutral atom, and also the number of protons equal the number of atomic number Z equal 11, so the number of electrons equal 11. Now the second application. Aluminium is a chemical element with symbol Al. Document 1 shows the composition of the aluminium atom. First question, show the number of electrons in an aluminium atom. If we count the blue circle, we will find the number of electrons. Here, the number of electrons is equal to 13. Deduce the number of protons inside the nucleus. The number of protons inside the nucleus equal the number of electrons equal 13. Now the third question, determine the atomic number Z of Al atom. Atomic number Z equal the number of proton equal also 13. Now the fourth question, write the symbolic representation of calculate the mass number of Al atom. Now we will use the rule that is A equals Z plus N. So Z is 13, N is 14. 14 we get it from here, so it's equal to 27. Now write the symbolic representation of Al atom. If we said symbolic representation, if we said nuclide, if we said atomic representation, these three vocabs mean symbolic representation. It have the same meaning. So Al, we write Al. Up of it on the left, we write the mass, the mass number A, that is here 27. And down on the left, we write the atomic number, that is 13. Hope you understand everything about the atom, and goodbye.